Good day. Welcome to a new update of the markets. Markets are relatively calm, so we can discuss some side topics, and one of them is XRP. I've been in some WhatsApp chats and some other groups with traders in the Netherlands, and I'm just stunned by the fact that the majority is still focused on trading XRP solely. Nothing else, only XRP. So we're going to discuss that one today. We're going to discuss some other stuff regarding Ethereum and Bitcoin. But before that, I've hit 6k followers on Instagram, so I'll go live tonight at 8 p.m. Central European time to answer your questions, not related to charts, just my view on the markets and my own life. So follow me on Instagram, and you can see it tonight at 8 p.m. Central European time. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, as we are growing, and you can stay tuned to the content that I'm producing. And today, one of the topics that we're going to discuss is XRP. And you can see the chart up here. It shows a massive pump with the flare airdrop, and then we have a full retrace in which we are actually making new lows. I'm not even going to put up the Bitcoin chart, as that's making real lows, still in a bear market. So I can't believe that people are still focused on trying to catch the bottom on XRP, pretending to be the expert, knowing what is going to happen, as all of a sudden everybody knows what's going to happen with the lawsuit. I'm not going to burn my hands on this, as there's opportunity costs. In the best scenario, XRP is going to have a good lawsuit and they will be back on all the exchanges. But in the meantime, exchanges will delist XRP, so you don't really have any opportunity of selling your coins in general. And next to that, the price can just drop 80% more from here if more exchanges delist XRP, and that's still fine. So why would you want to burn your money at this point when there is other projects that are heavily undervalued and building further without being sued by the SEC? It's just a better option to go for those undervalued projects that are currently a massive opportunity to go for, rather than putting your money into a project that's being sued. And I'm not against XRP. I'm just sharing my opinion on it. As I'm here to share my opinion and just to help you further, in which I'm saying that I would not be interested in a chart that looks like this. I would want to see a general consolidation period in which it just flatlines, and when you can see a certain support being hit, in which confirmation is there that we might be getting a breakout upwards confluent with the BTC pair. At this point, we are not even 2x the March low. And there is just not a bottom at this point where I think we're going to bottom out, as there is fundamentals and there's technicals. At this point, the fundamentals take over the technicals. So I just wanted to share my thoughts on XRP, and that you should be very, very cautious by taking this one. I've seen many people going all in on XRP. I've seen many people FOMOing at 60 cents on XRP because people were saying that it went to $2-3. If I see those shitting stuff, I think that is the main reason why I'm on here, to just be that relative calm and neutral view on the markets, as buying something that just went 3x is just not the approach. So final conclusion on XRP: be relatively calm if you want to have this. If this lawsuit is going to be it will probably make a bounce up, then take the retest for additional confirmation. That could easily be a bounce from 10 cents to 20 cents. It could be a bounce from 18 cents to 35 cents. Who the hell knows? But trying to catch the bottom is never a good thing if something like this is going on, as there can be bad news coming out every day from here, and then the dump will just continue. So that's the conclusion on this one. What do we have more? We do have a strong momentum on Ethereum. which is still making higher lows. The general question is, are we going to see this level at 460 still? I don't know why. Oh no, my chart just went away. I have to redo this one. Sad story. Or do I have it here? Yes, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. We're getting into this range resistance that we initially had, which is this block here. Which means that we've got a higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low. This is the area that we should be holding to continue having the bullish perspective on Ether. If it drops below 430 bucks, it invalidates what we have here. So that is the best entry zone, but I'm not expecting it to become that, to be getting there, as currently we've got a clear block that we are actually holding as support, and we can see that we are making higher lows, higher highs. So there was the crucial level to hold at 530. It went to 530 on some exchanges. We did, and we continue to rally. So what I want to see holding in general is this area here around 530. If we do lose that, then we get that best entry zone that we initially made here, which is around 470, 490 to 450. So these two are the levels that I'm watching here. Given that we actually made a new breakout up and we are currently going vertical, we are not in the entry zone for Ether if you want to trade this one on swing trading wise. That's why I've been shouting altcoin capitulation the past week when everything crashed. That was the low most likely. Given that we are currently searching even more, I have to redo the Fibonacci levels, and then you can see that the next impulse wave, most likely somewhere in 2021, maybe Q1 2021 already, we're going to see a rally towards the all-time high. That's going to be the next one. If we're getting a dip based on Bitcoin, most likely having a continuation or a drop down, given that it's too far overextended, you're going to look at 23k, you're going to look at 19.5k. Most likely the dollar value of Ether and altcoins will have some pain as they drop down alongside with Bitcoin. But once Bitcoin is finished correcting, they will start to continue running. So what we've seen in the previous week is that altcoins have already been starting to run. Silica, for instance, did a big move. And other altcoins have been breaking out. Most likely we're getting a retest, higher low, etc, etc. That's your retest that you want to get filled. As the moment that Bitcoin finishes its correction, it starts to go grind. And that is the moment that altcoins will start to break out heavily. And then they will shine, make their ROI, as the upside momentum and upside potential is currently higher in altcoins than in Bitcoin, and that is shifting throughout the year. So what do we see on ETH, Bitcoin? We see that the crucial level to hold is actually holding. Most likely we'll have a few weeks of sideways continuation before we're starting to get the next impulse wave. As in general, we see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Most likely we're going to get a higher high towards the area at 0.6 sats, then a higher low, another one, and then we continue to grind. So that's currently the view I have on the market. Some strip tips in this video as well. I hope you have enjoyed it. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I'll be back tomorrow.